Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install MATLAB or get MATLAB on your system. So, first thing you want to do is go to the MATLAB website. So, this is going to be we're going to click on matworks.com. So, this takes us directly to the MATLAB website. So, you want to click on Get MATLAB. So if you haven't created an account before, this is where you have to create an account. And if you're a student, you're advised to use your school email. Well, that still depends if your school has been given the MATLAB license, if your school is actually licensed to use the MATLAB platform. So not all schools are actually licensed. So for my school, Federal University of Technology, Mina, we have been given the license. You can see it said to access your organization's MATLAB license, use your work or university email. So you can actually check to see if your school actually have the MATLAB license. But for the sake of this YouTube tutorial, I'm going to be using a normal email. So I'm going to say okay, okay. So we are asked to can and actually continue anyway. Then okay. So here now you're going to create your password and you're going to confirm your password, right? So when you do this, so let's just create a password. Okay, now I'm having access denied. Well, this could be a server issue, and it happens oftentimes. There's no problem. Now, once you find an error like this, what you can actually do is sometimes you have to wait, and you have to keep coming back to this platform to ensure that okay, it is up and running. This happens quite sometimes. But another way you can actually do this. So I'm going to use another scenario. Now in this other scenario, I already have my MATLAB account. I had signed up and it's already ready. So this is it, for instance. So this is my original MATLAB account. So when I come here, so let's say you have created or you have signed up using MATLAB, right? So you're going to see a page that will be like this, right? You're going to see a page that's like this. So now with this in this platform, you can actually see where you have open MATLAB or install MATLAB. So if I click on install MATLAB, I'm going to download MATLAB. But before I do that, you can actually open MATLAB online and you can actually use the MATLAB version online on your system while being connected to the internet. While here you can actually install MATLAB. So installing the MATLAB, you're going to are you downloading for Windows or are you downloading for Mac or OS? So I just click on download for Windows and then you can see that it will be done. It will begin its download, right? So let's say I don't download it at the moment. So I'm going to pause this. Sorry, to my system, but I'm going to show you what will happen similarly to this after you have downloaded your MATLAB. So if you're in FUTMINNA, for instance, and you have access to the MATLAB space or the MATLAB community, or if you have access to the NiHub space in Federal University of Technology, Mina, we do have the MATLAB installer, as you can see here. These have been provided to us from MathWorks. And I think other schools also have the MATLAB community where they can have access, lay their hands on this. So once you plug this into your system, once you plug the solar into your system, you'll be taken directly to where you can actually install MATLAB directly on your system. So all you have to do is to go through to the setup, double click on it, make sure you are connected to the internet. And then when you do that, you sign up with your school email or whatever email you have already used to create the account. I want you to know you have to have already created a MATLAB account before you can actually proceed to um, have it installed on your system. So you double click on the setup, um, you give it permission. This may take a while because the MATLAB app could be a little bit large. Okay, so as you can see here, it has asked me to input my email. So this has to be the email that is working. Okay, so then my password. Good. So you agree to the terms and condition. Okay, so next, MATLAB individual. Next, destination. You pick a destination next. Now, this is very, very important, and I want everybody to pay attention. Well, for whatever you're going to be doing as a student, I would advise you to select all these products that MATLAB is giving to you, is recommending. So you can actually select if you are quite knowledgeable on what you want to. For instance, you're building a project and you know the exact tools you're using, so that in order to save space, you just pick the ones you use, which I do not recommend, but I highly recommend you select all of these products and you click on next, and then you can actually proceed with your installation. Now, this is actually very important. I'm not going to complete the installation here because I have it already installed on my system. I just want to use this as a video to show you guys how to go about it. I hope this was really helpful.